Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change or reset password for the Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2025. Okay, see I have connected to Azure Portal and see this is the virtual machine. Then click on overview, then click on connect or click on disconnect. Then go to here more options. See here we have the option to reset password and this is the username. Okay, select reset password or keys. Then we have to provide the password. Then you have to click on update. This is the way. See, ARM request is in progress. Wait until progress completes. See, ARM request succeeded. Okay, we have successfully changed it. So in this video we have seen how to reset password of Azure Virtual Machine for Windows Server 2025. Okay, for more Azure or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.